So now today we will study open circuit and short circuit test conducted on a transformer. This article can be asked for a short note, write short note on OCC test. Open circuit and short circuit test conducted on transformer. So first of all, what is meant by open circuit, what is meant by short circuit, that you have to explain. What is the purpose of conducting these tests, that you have to explain. And then both the tests, their diagrams and the equivalents determined from the two tests. Open circuit, short circuit. Transformer as primary as well as secondary. Open circuit means secondary is kept open. Secondary is kept open means secondary terminals are open, nothing is connected across secondary. Open terminal means secondary, open means secondary current zero, open means current zero. And short circuit means secondary is shorted. So two diagrams you have to draw for open circuit, one short circuit, other diagram, and then you have to determine the constants out of those two methods. So open circuit test and short circuit test. Secondary open, that means secondary current is zero, and secondary short, that means it will carry, the terminals are shorted, that means it will carry current. So open circuit test and short circuit test. Now these two tests are conducted basically to calculate the losses in transformer. These two tests are conducted to calculate losses in the transformer. Short circuit, secondary shorted, it will carry current. So current dependent loss. In previous lecture I have explained two losses: constant losses, variable losses. Constant losses also known as iron losses, variable losses also known as copper losses. And I have told you variable loss, variable means it varies with current. So copper loss is current dependent, and loss means wastage of power. Loss means wastage of power. So these two tests are conducted to calculate the losses, power losses in transformer. So secondary shorted means secondary is carrying current, and since secondary is carrying current, that means the loss will be current dependent loss. Current dependent loss is copper loss, and copper loss is variable loss. Secondary open, current is zero, so it cannot calculate current dependent loss as current is zero. So this will can measure constant loss, which is constant, not dependent on current. So open circuit test is used to determine constant losses, iron losses, and short circuit test is used to determine variable losses, copper losses. To determine constant losses, iron losses. P is loss, power loss, I for iron loss. To determine variable loss, and variable loss is copper loss. So in first slide we will write OC test, secondary is kept open, secondary current zero. SC test, secondary is shorted. Now these two tests are conducted to calculate losses, power losses in transformer. So this loss is carrying shorted terminal means it will carry current. Since it is carrying current, the loss will be current dependent, and current dependent loss is a variable loss. In previous lecture I have explained this, and variable loss is also known as a copper loss. So short circuit test is conducted to calculate variable loss or copper loss, while open circuit test is conducted to calculate constant loss. Now I am drawing the diagram. I will connect voltmeter to measure voltage, current meter to measure current, and watt meter to measure power in the primary, and here also in the primary. Here I will keep secondary open, here I will keep secondary shorted. So I am drawing the diagram. So this is voltmeter. It will measure V, O for open circuit test. Open circuit voltage, open circuit current, open circuit power, W naught or PI. So this is, since there is no load across secondary, this is known as a no load current. Primary no load current. We have studied this. See the previous articles. Now same instruments are connected here, but here I have indicated short circuit power measurement, short circuit current, short circuit voltage, since secondary is shorted. So W naught is nothing but PI and WSC is nothing but PC. So and since this is no load current, I have already explained I naught has two components, IMU and IC. See the previous article. IMU is flowing in the inductance and IC is flowing in resistance. So power or PI, V naught, I naught, cos phi naught. Since it is DC power, power is V naught, I naught, cos phi naught. I naught has two components. So IC that flows in resistance and I mu that flows in reactance. So R naught is voltage upon current. R naught is voltage upon R naught has component of current as IC. So voltage upon current. And X naught is also voltage upon current, but current in X naught is I mu. So these parameters are calculated by using open circuit test. Similarly, there WSC is equal to, as I have written, WR naught is equal to PI, WSC is equal to PC. Also, I have told you, copper loss is current dependent loss, can be written as ISC square R equivalent. From this you will get R equivalent is equal to power upon current square. Similarly, ZSC, impedance is voltage upon current. Voltage is VSC, current is ISC. And we know that Z is equal to under root R square plus X square. So X equivalent is equal to Z is under root of R square plus X square. So X is under root Z square minus R square. So these components are calculated from open circuit and short circuit test. So this much you have to write when short node on open circuit and short circuit test is asked. Open circuit test, secondary open. Short circuit test, secondary short. Current 0. So this will measure current independent power. Current independent power is constant power. So PI, iron loss, that is known as iron loss. And since it is shorted, it will carry current. So it will carry power which is current dependent. Current dependent power is known as variable power and variable loss is known as copper loss. So PC. So voltmeter in parallel, current meter in series and wattmeter are connected in primary. In AC circuit we have studied power is VI cos phi. So W0 is V0 I0 cos phi 0. But since this is primary current, no load primary current. In previous article we have studied the no load primary current I0 has two components. One component is core loss that flows in resistor and one component is magnetic component which flows in inductance. So I is V upon R. So we have to calculate R0 and X0. So R0 is voltage upon IC and X0 is voltage upon IN. That is core loss, core component current. This is magnetizing component current. So two parameters are calculated by open circuit test, RO and XO. And R equivalent, X equivalent are calculated by short circuit test. So copper loss. So this meter will indicate the reading PCU, which is IX square R. So R equivalent will be PCU upon IC square. Now we have to calculate X equivalent. So ZSC, impedance Z, we know that it is V upon I. So VSC upon IC is ZSC. And as we know, Z is equal to under root of R square plus X square. So what will be X? That is written here. X equivalent is ZSC square minus R equivalent square. Right? So now since losses are calculated, means we can determine efficiency. So no efficiency. So we have already studied efficiency of transformer is output power upon input power into 100%. This we have studied in previous article. Output power, input power is output power plus losses. This we have studied. And what is losses? Iron loss plus copper loss. Iron loss is obtained by open circuit test and copper loss is obtained by short circuit test. किती झालं? So this is all about open circuit test and short circuit test conducted on transformer. These two tests are conducted to calculate losses in transformer. Losses means power losses. Two losses, iron loss and copper loss. Iron loss is constant loss that is calculated by open circuit test, and copper loss is variable loss that is calculated by short circuit test. This much you have to write when short not on open circuit test and short circuit test is asked. So in next lecture we will study another article.